and we're all watching.
The National Weather Service in Spokane has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Northwestern Shoshone County in the Panhandle of Idaho until 6:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 5:39 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Kellogg, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, trained weather spotters. Impact, damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Kellogg and Smelterville. This includes Interstate 90 in Idaho between mile markers 46 and 50.
And et cetera, et cetera.